Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2 Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to unfriend someone on Steam. Now let us begin. At the top left, you can see a button like this called as Friends. Click on it right now. Once you do, something like this will open up. From here, all you guys need to focus on is this button called as View Friend List. Click on it. And guys, this is it. I want to remove this friend right here, so I'm simply gonna right click on them. As you can see, multitude of options. Do note that you can also unfriend this person by clicking on view profile, but that is a tedious step. For now, we are gonna opt out for the easy one. Simply hover over this manage button right here, and just below notification, you can see a button like this called as remove as a friend. Click on it and just give your confirmation. And guys, that is it. That's how you remove a friend in Steam. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.